Hey everybody, I'm going to be working on AutoCAD App04. This is going to be a remote assignment for you guys. Um, Over here you have the link that'll get you to the app. I've also included this YouTube video if anyone decides they want to install the actual AutoCAD on a home computer. And you don't see the third video because that's literally what I am making right now. So with that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and open up the app by clicking on the link here. I should automatically be signed in. Okay, there we go. We're inside the app. Going to go to new drawing and going to call this pattern 01. Switch from metric to imperial. Click open. Give that a minute to cook. And there we go. Now with that in mind, let's go over here to this little gear. And here's a few things I thought I'd decide to show you today. You've got preference tracking, OSNAP units, all that. OSNAP is great because you can check your stuff off here. But look at this, units. We're at decimal. I want you guys to switch over to architectural and then hit done. Now we're working more like we've been working in school with this. All right, let's go ahead and make that pattern. So over here, we're at Draw tab, and here's the line. I'm going to click this, drag it across. It looks like my ortho is not turned on, so I'm going to turn that on. And I also have my OSNAP turned on. All right, great. So let's bring this over. Let's type in 20. And you'll see I'm super zoomed out, so we need to zoom in, just like that. Let's bring it up another 20. So we're basically making a 20 by 20 square. Here's my link for my OSNAP and spacebar to end it. Now, let's get the line tool. Bring this right to the center. If your center isn't working, you've got to go over here and make sure that it's checked off, midpoint. Mine is. I'll bring this up one straight line, 5, spacebar to end it. And now, let's go over here to the arc tool. And we're going to click point A, point B, and point C. We can go ahead and get rid of that temporary guideline by clicking on it and hitting delete on your keyboard. All right, let's try to mirror this now. Let's go over to modify and mirror. Let's go ahead and click the line or the arc. We'll hit the space bar, find the midpoint here, drag to the left, click your mouse again or your whatever you're using, and there we have that mirrored. Let's hit enter or space bar to end that. Let's make another arc. We got to go back to draw and line. Let's go to the center right here, click, bring that across by 5, enter or space bar. Repeat what you did with the arc tool like this. And let's go ahead and hit enter to get rid of everything. Select and delete. We'll go back to modify and mirror tool. We'll select the arc, space bar or enter. Right here, centered, click, pull straight down, click again. And that is going to be our finished product. Now, the saving part's really important. We're doing it differently if you haven't done it this way already. First thing is we go up to save. We're good. Now we're going to go here to AutoCAD Web and Mobile. Still saving the drawing. We got to just wait for a minute for it to save. Let's try it again. There's our list, and you'll see we have pattern 01. I'm going to go ahead and check mark that. Then I'm going to go to download. And for me, I'm on a PC right now, so it comes out like this. On your Chromebook, it'll be a little different. It'll end up in your drive, your Google Drive folder. You're going to have to take it from there and basically post it onto Google Classroom from that point. You might want to move it to another subfolder, but that's up to you. So that's basically it. Give it your best shot. Let me know how it goes. And as per usual, I wish you good luck and a very good day.